Morning. Having a good Saturday. I'm not anymore. It's a bit crook actually. Just found out in the middle of all this COVID madness, middle of the night on Wednesday night, a few new pieces of legislation were waved through the Senate, one of which is particularly, disturbing. It's called the Identify and Disrupt Bill 2021, and this bill grants the Australian Federal Police and the Australian Criminal Intelligence Commission the power to modify, add, copy or delete data on a person's online accounts, is what I'm reading. So what this means is basically the AFP can hack your email, your Facebook, your Instagram, any other social media, not only view it, but actually alter it however they want. They can send emails on your behalf, they can post things on your behalf, they can engage in criminal activity on your behalf if it's, in order to carry out their operation. And look, I know most people are pretty lax when it comes to cybersecurity laws because, you just think, I don't care if the government reads my emails, I'm not doing anything wrong. And look, up until this point, could have been partially excused for thinking that way. Clear conscience, no worries, right? But now with this bill, you're not exempt just because you're a good person minding your own business. Because people can get into your accounts and rewrite who you are. Let that sink in for a minute. They can rewrite your very existence online. Basically, they can frame you, that's what I'm saying. They can frame you. So that's, years and years in jail for something you didn't even know was happening? Think about that for a minute. Think about the nastiest shit you could do if you had access to someone's online accounts. The AFP and the ACIC can do that to you. They can do it to your mum, they can do it to your sister, they can do it to your son, to your daughter. They can do it to anyone in Australia. And it's legal now. So you can't even use the defence, that wasn't me. Because digitally, it was you. It was you researching how to build bombs. It was you researching how to cook meth or kidnap kids. It was you, because it happened on your account. Sorry. So now you're thinking, surely they would need a warrant to go in and change my data around. You'd be kind of right. But instead of needing a warrant from a judge, they'll be able to obtain warrants from the Administrative Appeals Tribunal. That's a body that conducts independent merit reviews for administrative decisions, not cybersecurity, not civil rights administration. That's it. May as well give the AFP your passwords now and tell them to have at it, boys. You're looking at me now probably going, this guy's fucking bonkers. That can't be happening. They wouldn't do that. Well, they have. It's passed through on Senate with support of both major parties. It's a fucking abomination. I really can't put it in any other terms. So what can you do about it? You can sign a petition. You see, the bill needs to receive a thing called royal assent before it becomes an act. This royal assent normally takes about 5 to 10 days, so if the thing went through on Wednesday, Saturday morning now, got maybe 5 days. Raise a bit of hell before this thing goes ahead. After you sign the petition, you can email this video to federal politicians, Scott Morrison, Peter Dutton, ask them to explain themselves. Not just Liberal Party, but the Labor Party helped push this thing through too. Email this video to Albo, ask him what the fuck is going on. It's gone way too fucking Orwellian for my liking, so make sure you Google Identify and Disrupt Bill 2021 and research it for yourself, read up on it for yourself. It's all on the government website in plain sight for you to see. And when you're done, link is in the bio, sign the petition, get it out there. We've got to get this thing overturned. Get stuck in and enjoy your digital freedoms while they last. Have a good weekend.